I've been exploring the Plum Investing app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. First, let's talk about what Plum actually offers. Plum is a smart money management app that aims to make saving and investing effortless. The core idea is simple yet practical. It uses automation and AI to set aside small amounts of money for you, so you can build your savings or start investing without constantly thinking about it. You can connect your bank account, round up spare change from everyday purchases, or set up custom rules to save automatically. It's a neat concept for anyone who struggles to stay consistent with saving. Now, beyond savings, Plum gives you access to different ways to grow your money, from easy access interest pockets earning around 3.95% AER to ISAs, lifetime ISAs, and even commission-free stock trading. You can also invest in managed funds with themes like tech or sustainability. The flexibility makes it appealing to both beginners and people looking for something more advanced. On the positive side, Plum's interface feels clean and approachable, and its automation tools genuinely make saving simpler. Its FSCS protection for eligible deposits adds a sense of security. However, it's not all perfect. Some users have reported slow transaction times or account holds when moving larger sums, and customer support can feel slower during busy periods. Additionally, while investing through Plum is convenient, the fees for fund management can add up over time compared to other robo-advisors. Overall, Plum is a strong choice for people wanting a hands-off approach to saving and investing, especially if you're based in the UK and prefer to let tech handle your finances intelligently. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.